There are plumbing companies that can do drain cleaning, and there are drain cleaning companies that do some plumbing repairs. Plumbing refers to the installation and service of the fixtures as well as the freshwater side of the drain lines within a home or a building, whereas drain cleaning normally refers to the cleaning of the particular drains running out to the city sewer line. At Master Rooter Plumbing, we do drain cleaning and plumbing with licensed plumbers. We can take care of all your drain cleaning, plumbing, and liquid waste hauling needs.